Hi there, welcome back to my channel. It's Aya here. In today's video, I am super excited to unbox TONIC KIT 86, also known as the Cracking Christmas box. Let's dive right in. The first thing you will notice is a paper bag filled with fun embellishments like an aqua shimmer pen, bronze paste, two blending sponges, and two foils in gorgeous copper and gold. The kit also includes an assortment of cardstock, glitter, mirror, pearlescent, and classic cardstock, plus Christmas theme adhesive sheets. At the start of the show, the Cracking Christmas box dies. These dies are easy to assemble and come with detailed instruction sheets to guide you. What's really cool is their versatility. You can create big boxes, small boxes, or even boxes with two openings. In this video, I made a big box and a two opening box. You can keep them simple with plain cardstock or jazz them up with decorative elements for a see-through look. At the end, my son helped me fill the boxes with chocolate. Pro tip: when I'm filming, I usually fill treat boxes with pom-poms instead of chocolates because let's be real, a box of chocolate never lasts more than an hour in my house. You will find the link for the kit in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.